Okay, so the next test here, okay, so the test 3.6B, okay, under exercise 3.6, question B1, subheading 5 to 8, 4 questions. Okay, so here, this will be found on textbook, page 70. Let me read the question for us once more. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. That means we have to reduce them to a normal pair of linear equations first. So B1 subheading 5. So let us go there, and it's written there. First equation given to us, 7x minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. So let us deal with this first here, and then we know that if we have something like this, 3 minus 5 by 2, and we know that we can break up and separate them like 3 by 2, then minus, and 5 by 2 like this separately we can write. Let's do that here. 7x by this xy minus, next term on the numerator, 2y by this same denominator is equal to 5. Why we did that was because we wanted to simplify here, x and x cancel, and y. Then we get here 7 by y minus 2 by x. So that is okay, we can write like that, but normally we are putting the x term first. So if we want, we may want to bring this minus 2 by x in the first term position, and no sign here is plus 7 by y in the second position. That's how normally we're doing it. Otherwise, if you were putting here 7 by y first and 2 by x minus 2 by x second place also, we can solve like that also, okay. Just that we're following the more normal pattern. So let us just put this one as equation number 1. And similarly, the second equation in the question, let's write down 8x plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. Like we did in the previous case, that's why we're writing here similarly. 8x by xy and plus here, second term on the numerator, 7y by down here, xy. So we have separated these two into this format, right? So x and x cancels, y cancels. So since we have decided to put the x term first, so here also we have to do that now. Plus 7 by x, and no sign here means plus the y term on the second place, and 15, and let us put this one as equation number 2. Okay, so question clearly says we have to reduce them to a normal form of linear equations first. So let us do that by doing this. Let 1 by x, which is common in both equations 1 and 2 here, see. No number here, 2 excluding 2, here 2 into 1 we can say, 1 by x. Here also 7 into 1, so 1 by x. Let us put this a, and then common pattern in the next term here, 7 into 1, so 1 by y here. 8 into 1, 1 by y, let us put, because there is a similar pattern in both, let us put as b. And if we do that, then from equation 1, we're going to get here minus 2 into, and here 1 by x, we decided to put a. Next is plus 7 into, here 1 by y, we decided to put b, is equal to here 5. So let us write this one as equation number 3. Okay. And similarly here in the equation 2, I won't be explaining that now. So from 2, here 7 into 1 by x is a, so 7a plus 8 into here 1 by y, we decided to put as b, so here b is equal to 15. Let us put this one as equation 4. Question is solved, so we can use any algebraic method. But since I feel that elimination method is the easiest. Let us do that. So for elimination method, we have to find the LCM of the coefficients of A and B separately. So coefficients of A are 2 and 7. We can disconsider the minus and plus sign for LCM. Okay, so 7 2s are 14 is the LCM if you take the coefficients of A. Take the coefficients of B means in front here 7 and 8. We know the LCM is 56. So 14 is a much lower number than 56, so most probably coefficients, equating the coefficients of A will be easier to 14. So how do you do that? So we've decided this A and not B. 2 into how much is 14 LCM? Find out. And we know 2's 7's are 14. So let 7 multiply every term in equation 3, all these 3 terms. And take the coefficient of A in this fourth equation, that is 7, 2's are LCM 14. So let 2 multiply all these 3 terms in equation 4. Then we're going to get these 2 equated, means equal in absolute value. Plus and minus, minus here. Then 7 2's are 14A plus 7 7's are 49. Because 7 will multiply all the terms in equation 3, this 3, equal to 7 5's are 35. Let us put this one as equation 5. Okay, so here once we're through with that, then next we are going to multiply 2 to every term in equation 4. Is 3. So 2 7's are 14A plus 2 8's are 16B, and 2 into 15 is 30. Let us put this as equation number 6. Now they are equated, see, coefficients of A, 14 and 14. So if the equated coefficients have different sign like here minus and plus, we know we do 5 plus 6. Had they been same sign, both plus or both minus, we would have written 5 minus 6, right? But because they're different, now 5 plus 6 means minus 14A plus 14A, 0. Then 49 plus 16 is 9 plus 6, 15, 1 in hand. 1 plus 1 in hand, 2 plus 4, 65B. 49B plus 16B, 65B. 35 plus 30 is 65. So we're going to get here B equal to 65, this one, and into, if you shift to right side, come to denominator. So 65 ones are, 65 ones are, and 1 by 1 means simply B value is equal to 1 we're getting. And to find B, let us put here, putting B value equal to 1 that we got just now in either equation 3 or 4. It's up to you, both are correct. Let's put in a simpler one, but 2 7 5 and here 7 8. So this one seems to be simpler. So let us put in 3. Had you put in 4 also, you will get the same value for A, okay? It's not wrong also. So minus 2A plus 7B here, equation 3 we decided to take. So B now is going to be replaced by 1 equal to 5. So here minus 2A plus 7 ones are 7 is equal to 5. So minus 2A, that implies equal to 5. If you shift this plus 7 to right side, minus 7. So minus 2A is going to give you minus 2, because plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2, right? Minus and minus, as you can see here, minus 7 bigger absolute value up, plus 5 smaller one. So subtract, because minus plus, so 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Bigger sign minus, so here also minus. That's why we're getting here. So 5 minus 7 is minus 2 here. Okay, then once we're done with that, then you're going to get here. That implies A don't move, and then here 2. And by this 2 shifted into means come to the denominator. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So A also equal to 1. Okay. The question is saying solve, so we have to find it in terms of x and y because this is the original variable. So go back to the beginning where we have done this. So since final step, we put here in the beginning 1 by x is equal to a. So we have to change the value in terms of x. That's why we're doing that. So 1 by x now is equal to a, and we got just now a equal to 1. So 1 means we can write 1 by 1 also. Cross multiply x ones are x is equal to 1 ones are 1. So x value we got equal to +1, same as book answer. Then for y value we go here and put this one. Since in the beginning we put 1 by b temporarily as equal to b, then we have to reconvert in terms of y, so 1 by y equal to b. B again is equal to 1, so we write through 1. 1 means we can write 1 by 1 also, which even if you don't write, it's fine. Now next, y1s are y, 1s are 1. Therefore, the required solution means the values for x and y, so x equal to 1, y is also equal to 1, same as book answer. So that's how we solve it. Done with 5, so let's go to 6. Question B1, subheading 6. Okay, B1. Okay, so next here, B1. Go and read it. B6, sorry, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. So let's simplify this a little bit. We don't want this xy with 6, so let us divide both sides by xy to remove it. Dividing xy, dividing both sides. Okay, dividing both sides by xy, then we're going to get 6x by xy, the first term. Second term, 3y divided by xy. The third term, 6xy divided by xy. So dividing both sides by xy means every term both on left side and right side will be divided by xy. So that's correct. So x and x gone and y gone here. Xy and xy. So we got this xy cancelled. And we want to write the x term first, so we can write 3 by x plus, and no sign here means plus 6 by y, so that it's in the second position. And we can write this equal to equation number 1. Similarly, for the second one, 2x plus 4y, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. So just like we did, similarly I put, so I'm not going to write this. 2x divided by xy plus 4y divided by xy, 5xy divided by xy. This cancelled, y cancelled, x cancelled, so we're going to get here 4 by x. So here 4 by x, and no sign here means plus 2 by y here is equal to here 5. So let's put this one as equation 2. Then we want to simplify to a normal linear equation format, so putting, or we can just say like we've been doing earlier, let 1 by x, which is a common pattern in both 1 by x be put as a, and 1 by y, which is now a normal pattern in both 1 by y be put as b. In such a case, from equation 1 we're going to get 3 into here, 1 is there always, so 1 by x put as a, plus 6 into 1 by y here, b, so we put b is equal to 6, equation number 3 let us put. And then from equation number 2, 4 into a plus 2 into 1 by y is put as b is equal to 5. This is equation number 4. So we have that one. So now we want to solve by elimination because that's easier. So 3 and 4 are the coefficients of a, which LCM is 12. Here b coefficients are 6 and 2, whose LCM is 12 again. So it's same 12 LCM in whether you choose coefficients of to equate the coefficients of a or b. You can choose any one. Okay, it's almost going to be the same difficulty level. So we can choose this. So these two, so 3, 4s are mixed, the LCM 12. So 4 will multiply every term in equation 3 to equate these two. And 4 into 3, 4 into 3 is 12, so the 3 will be multiplying every term in equation 4. Then we'll get these two equated, which are not yet equal. 3 and 4 are not equal in value, right? Absolute value. 4 3s are 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12a plus 4 6 are 24b. 4 6 are 24. Let us put this one as 5 following 4. And then 3 will multiply the equation 4 means this 3. So 3 4s are 12a. That way these two are now equated. See, coefficients of a equal value. Absolute value equal. So plus 3 2s are 6. B and 3 5s are 15. Equation 6. Now the equated coefficients here, plus 12a and plus 12a. Same sign, so we're going to have to do this time 5 minus 6. So that means every term in equation 6, the original sign will change. So the original sign here, no sign means plus, will become minus 15. Plus 6b will become minus 6b. Plus 12a will become minus 12a. That way, minus 12a and plus 12a will be 0, eliminated. Then here, bigger absolute value, plus 24. Smaller absolute value is no longer plus here, minus 6. So plus minus, so subtract. 14 minus 6 is 8. Right, so 1 is taken to make 14 here, so only 1 left. So I can write there, bigger one plus, or here plus. So this 2 is plus 18b, and then here 24, and here 15 is smaller, which is minus with 15, and here no sign, plus, subtract again. 14 minus 5, 9. To make 14, 1 was borrowed from here. So 1 minus 1, 0, which we did not write. Bigger one plus, or here also plus, plus 9. So b, we're going to get 9. 18 into, if we shift right side, come down to denominator. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 1 by 2 is the value for b. Okay, so we have to find the value for a. Let's go and do that. Putting this value of b, which is equal to 1 by 2 in either equation number 3 or 4. That's up to us. Okay, so both are almost the same, so maybe we can put in 3. Then you're going to get 3a plus 6b. So b is going to be replaced by 1 by 2. That's all, equal to 6. And bracket means in 2, so we can cancel these 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 3a, you write it, and here 6, you write. 3 1s are 3. So plus 3 shifted to right side becomes minus 3. So a, or rather 3a, that implies 3a, that's equal to 6 minus 3 is plus 3. So that's going to give you a is equal to this 3. And if we shift this 3 from left to right in 2, so it will go down the denominator. So these 2 cancelled, 1, a equal to 1. Okay, a equal to 1. So once we're through with that, finally we have to solve, means find in terms of x and y, because the original variables were x and y. So for that we go back to the beginning where we changed it here. 1 by x was put temporarily as a, so we're going to get 1 by x equal to a value. Just now you got 1, so you replace by that, which means 1 by 1. So x 1s are x and 1 1s are 1. So this is first value. And to find y, 1 by y was originally put temporarily as b equal to b. So you can now replace in this format. 1 by y is equal to b, and b value is 1 by 2. So we can write there in place of b, y by 2, 1 by 2. Y 1s are y after the equal sign. Then 2 1s are 2. So we can write here final answer. Therefore, the required solution here, x equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. I hope you're getting it. We'll do the next two, okay, in the next class.